Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sashank and today I'm super excited to show you a file upload component made with Vue.js 3 and Tailwind CSS. This component is packed with features which I'll explain one by one. Here is the Vue component we will be exploring today. It has several amazing features that enhance user experience and functionality. First up, the file upload section. You can either click the choose files to upload button or drag and drop files directly into the designated area. Let's try the choose files to upload button first. It is successful. Now let's try the drag and drop feature. It automatically highlights the area where you can drop using an animated border. Once you add files, they appear in a list below, displaying the file name and size. Now let me add another file type to show you an error message. I'm now dropping an MP3 file, which is an audio type, and as you see, only images and PDF files are allowed. You can customize the types of files allowed, number of files that can be uploaded, and the size of each file. You can even add more features if you would like, since you will have all the code. I'll show that in a bit. Also, notice how the icons are different based on the file type. The component detects images, audio, video, text, and other file types, showing a relevant icon for each. Every file entry includes the name, size, and a remove button to delete a specific file. On submit, we have an animated progress bar that shows the percentage of files uploaded. The button also provides visual feedback in progress while submitting and success if the submission is successful. And if it is unsuccessful, you will see a red color background with an unsuccessful label. All these features are fully customizable. Let me show the code now where you can make changes to the number of files to be uploaded, file types, and more. First, to get the code, visit citrusui.in. The link is in the description and also on the screen. Click on Browse Components. You have the file upload as the first component in the website. Click on this code icon. Here you have three files. One is the main file with all the code relevant to the file upload functionality, that is the file upload variant 1. The first one here is the usage, like how we use this component, since I made it as a reusable component. And the last one is the Tailwind configuration with just two properties added, the animation for spin slow and a dark mode if you want the dark mode. Let me show the project now. Here is the project. I copied the file upload variant 1 code snippet into this file upload.vue. Then I copied the usage code snippet into the app.vue, and I have added the animation and dark mode properties to my Tailwind configuration. I have already written all the functions with comprehensive error handling and made it reusable using props. We have four props here where you can change the maximum number of files, maximum size per file in megabytes, allowed file types, and also the submit function. The code is well written with the usage of the comments. You clearly understand what's happening here. If this component is really useful for you, all I ask you to do is to like this and share it with your fellow developers to save both your time and their time. If you would like more components like this, stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to it. We are not done yet. This component is mobile responsive and it also supports dark mode. So let's see that. As you can see, it works on the mobile as well, like it worked on the desktop version. Let's submit. You can even see the animation and the message, success message. So all good. Now let's see the dark mode. Let's upload some files here as well to see how it looks. Let's submit. So everything works well. That's it for today's walkthrough of the file upload component. I hope you found this demonstration helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to stay updated with the latest content of Citrus UI. Thanks for watching and happy coding.